Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. If you are facing connection issues with your Spotify app on any of your Volvo vehicles, then in this article we will try to help you sort out this problem. In our research, we have found several complaints from Volvo customers facing connection issues while accessing Spotify on their vehicles. According to us, this connection issue with Spotify mainly happens because of some problem with the Spotify app or the Spotify system. In short, we want to say that if you are having connection issues with Spotify on any of your Volvo vehicles, then the majority of times it's not you, instead it's the Spotify system or the app that is causing the problem. Now let's dive into some potential workarounds that may help you navigate this problem. However, before you proceed, do ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. The first port of call is to completely close the Spotify app and then relaunch it. It's a simple step, but you'd be surprised how often it can resolve minor issues. If the problem persists, don't lose hope. Try restarting the app a few more times before moving on to the next step. If restarting the app doesn't do the trick, it's worth checking if there are any pending updates for your Spotify app. If there are, go ahead and update it. Once updated, see if the issue persists. Sometimes the issue might not be with your app or vehicle at all. Spotify's servers might be experiencing downtime. To check this, head over to downdetector.com/status/Spotify. Similarly, Spotify's ongoing issues section could provide insights if there are any ongoing issues with Spotify on Volvo vehicles. If there's no reported downtime and no ongoing issues, another potential fix is to clear the Spotify app's cache data. If this doesn't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Spotify app. In the unfortunate event that none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Spotify support. You can find their contact details at support.spotify.com/article/contact-us. In summary, if you experience connection issues with Spotify on your Volvo vehicle, remember that it's not necessarily you or your car. It's often an issue with the Spotify app or system. You can attempt to fix this by restarting your app, updating it, checking for server downtime, clearing your app's cache, or reinstalling the app. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Spotify support. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with a little patience and the right steps, you can usually find a solution. So next time you hit a roadblock with Spotify on your Volvo, keep calm and try these steps. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.